Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact Hyundai model and current map version, so you download the right file. Connect a 1632 GB USB, formatted FAT32 or XFAT, to your computer and make a clean folder named NavUpdate. Download the official map package and copy extracted files into NavUpdate on the USB. Once done, keep the vehicle in accessory mode and plug the USB into the car's port. Make sure the screen stays on and the ignition doesn't shut off mid-transfer. With the USB inserted, go to Navigation, then Settings, and choose Map Update so the system reads the USB source. You'll see file recognition and a progress bar. Accept license terms and start installation. The system may reboot the head unit one or more times. This is normal, so stay with the vehicle and avoid pressing unrelated buttons. If prompted, confirm regions or language and allow each component, maps, and POI to install fully before moving on to the next screen. Patience here prevents corruption. When installation ends, check Settings System Navigation to confirm the new map version and test routing for accuracy. If the update stalls or fails, remove the USB, reformat it, re-download the official package, and attempt the process again. Often a corrupted download causes issues. Make sure USB naming and file structure match Hyundai's requirements. If problems persist, note any error codes and contact your dealer or Hyundai support for a firmware level fix. They can push a dealer update or advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.